Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the other day I went for a ride, and when I came back I realized that my kickstand has come off. So the new one just came in the mail today, and I thought I'd just quickly record a very quick tutorial about how to install a new kickstand on your KTM. This is a really simple and straightforward thing, so it's probably going to be really short, but thought I'd just make something out of it. So you really don't need all that much to do this job. Of course, you're gonna need your new kickstand. You're gonna need the stuff to mount it with. So here I've just got the spring, you got this bolt with this piece that sits inside there, and you've got this washer. Unfortunately, this stuff does not come with your kickstand, or at least the one that I ordered didn't come with it, but you can just buy this stuff for like $20 on eBay or something. And then you're also gonna need some pliers just for putting the spring on, and some Allen keys. Alright, so the first thing we do when we're putting on our new kickstand, get your washer, just chuck that on there. And then before I actually screw the kickstand in, I like to put the spring on first. So you've got your spring here, small hook here, and then you've got a large hook up here. Your small hook goes onto this piece that's already on your kickstand, and then it just hooks right up under there. And then you just gotta push that down, get that on there, and there you go, that's in place. Okay, so with that on there, you have to put the bolt in. So this can be a bit tricky because there's a lot of tension here with the spring. Just gotta get that, thread it in. Okay, your Allen key, just screw that in. So this is actually the third kickstand I've put on this bike, which I'm not too happy about that. But I've found that putting a tiny little bit of grease on these moving parts just make it move a lot smoother. That's nice. Once that's tight, you're good to go. So like I said, I like to put a tiny little amount of grease just in here, just so that it moves a lot easier. Because I know when I tighten this up too much without grease, it just kind of stays down here, it stays here and doesn't move. So with that little bit of grease, it moves very freely, flings up very easily, and you're not gonna have any problems with this. So there you go, new kickstands are on there, working good. Like I said, very simple thing to do. Shouldn't really have any problems with this, but there you go. Just a very quick video on how to get that done. So we're all good, ride safe.